Last but not least, my absolute favorite, pulled pork pasta.
Obviously, you need pulled pork. Other than that, this is real simple.
And easy and super delicious.
True. A tablespoon of olive oil in a medium-sized pot. And then I have a small white onion, finely diced. And we're just gonna saute that a little bit. And then the ace up our sleeve, our smoked tomato sauce, 250 grams of that.
Ceiling below how to achieve that magic.
It's just excellent in things like this. But be careful, don't use too much, it's very smoky. So we're gonna mix this with 2 cans of chopped tomatoes, the good quality style here. And here we go. And to that, I'm gonna add a good pinch of sea salt. We will taste for salt at the end, but just to have some saltiness now. And then a good amount of mountain oregano here from Greece, really aromatic. I'm saying a bit more, huh?
Obviously.
With this style of sauce, basil doesn't really go with the pulled pork. It's much better with the oregano. Now let's bring this to a simmer before we continue. And final step, we add our pulled pork. So, not to make a mess here, be careful. There we go. And we let that separate and come up to a simmer again. And by the way, those of you who noticed that we didn't add any garlic, that's because we have quite some garlic in the pulled pork. Time to cook our pasta in a large pot with heavily boiling water. We add half a kilo of good quality spaghetti, like that. Let me just get my tool here, give that a swirl around so it doesn't stick, and boil it 1 minute shy of what it says on the package, because we're going to finish it off in a pan. Let's get this combined. We take a generous spoon of our sauce, maybe even 2. I think we're going to give it a little bit more. It can take it. And to that, we're going to add a little bit of the pasta water that we saved, because that's the starch that's going to make the pasta stick and the sauce together. That's going to be really good. So let's turn this up to, let's say, medium heat. And we're going to take some of our pasta. These are long, huh? Okay. Well, handmade straight from Italy. And then we're just slowly going to combine this while we bring that up to a boil. And the pasta water, that's going to ensure that the sauce sticks and we get a nice pasta dish that looks good and you get everything in one bite. See how that's coming together, and the sauce is getting nice and thick with the help from the starch.
I think we're ready to plate it and taste it.
I agree. So switching off, plating up. Although this is a staple in our kitchen, I still look forward to tasting it, as I do every time. We get a good bite here with some pulled pork. That looks nice. Pasta, pulled pork, the whole show, good with sauce. Again, this is just so good. The sauce is tomato forward, the pulled pork matches so nicely. It's just a perfect pasta dish. Untraditional, but damn good. Cheers.